Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess. If you are interested in going on a journey with me as I achieve healthier hair, skin, and overall wellness, consider hitting that subscribe button and then hitting that notification bell so you'll be notified every single time I post a new video. We'll be on the way to a long, healthy lifestyle journey. Okay guys, so today is just going to be a quick video of what I do when I'm in a protective style to help my hair grow. Yeah, I'm getting ready to go to bed, and this is normally what I try to do before I go to sleep. Since I work third shift, so sometimes it's not at night per se, but either way, this is what I do before I go to sleep to kind of help activate the hair growth gods to touch my scalp. Because even though your hair is in a protective style, you still need to make sure that you are doing or taking the necessary steps and measures to make sure that your hair and your scalp still is moisturized and it's still healthy underneath the protective style, because that defeats the whole purpose of a protective style if you're still not doing, like, if your hair isn't healthy in the process. Like, you get what I'm saying? So I'm just going to show you guys what I do when my hair is in a protective style, what I do to help keep my hair or keep my scalp moisturized, keep my scalp feeling fresh and everything. So right now I have in yarn locs. I've had them in for about 3 weeks now, and they are hip length. So I know they don't look like the freshest or whatever, but they also have been in for about 3 weeks or so. And honestly, I like the way this looks because they look more like real dreads to me when it kind of looks like this. I just love this style because low-key, like, my sister has dreads, my brother has dreads, my nephew has dreads. I love dread heads, but I just don't know if I can commit to it because I really love my curly hair. And so this style right here really gives me the look of it. It gives me the length of the dreads that I would want, because if I ever got dreads, I would want them to be long instantly, and I know that's not how it works. But yeah, so enough of that. But yeah, so basically what I do, which I know I'm rambling a lot and I'm really sorry, but basically what I do is I take some water, take my spray bottle, and then I also take some type of oil. Right now I'm using the Posh Allure Beauty from their hair care line, the Jamaican Castor Oil Growth Elixir. This is what I'm using. I've been using this since I've had this protective style in, because I don't really use oils that much when I'm actually doing wash and goes and stuff. But I really wanted to see how this oil does because it smells really good and it's been working really good. I've been seeing some growth in my hair. It's called a growth elixir, so I'm happy. So one of the reasons why I go ahead and with water first, and I focus it mainly on my scalp because I don't want to get the yarn like super wet. So you want to start off with water, focus mainly on your scalp, because the oil is what seals in the moisture, right? And if your scalp is dry and you sealing in a dry scalp, you're not really doing nothing to like help your hair, you know what I'm saying? And the whole point of a protective style is to give your hair a break, but you also got to make sure that you're doing what you need to do while your hair is in a protective style, so your hair can actually grow and get those inches that the protective style is supposed to provide. You get what I'm saying? Okay, so the oil helps seal in the moisture, which is water, and water is the #1 moisturizer. And it's free, it's cheap. So, like I said, first thing I do is focus on my scalp and get that wet. Oh, that water's cold. Okay, so I'm done watering my scalp. That sounds weird, but I'm done watering my scalp. And so now I'm about to go in with the Growth Elixir by Posh Allure Beauty. And I really do love the fact that it has like this nozzle thing, so that way I can get directly on my scalp. And so now I'm just gonna go in with this oil, which just has a plethora of oils, okay? It has Jamaican castor oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil, olive oil, organic shea butter, avocado oil, vitamin E, scented with rich mango fragrance. So it has a lot of different oils in it, and it's supposed to be a growth elixir. And so, yeah, like I said, this is what I've been using. And so far, as you can see, that I have been using it pretty much. A little does go a long way. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and go in. I'm kind of just giving myself a light little scalp massage. I don't do anything too serious. I'm not even gonna front and act like I do, but I do kind of just rub it in a little bit. So that is literally all that I do, and that helps keep my hair and my scalp feeling moisturized. And I get really bad itchy scalp. Like that's something that I normally struggle with a lot, especially when I have protective styles in. Like I always just want to go in and scratch my scalp. And then I also get like dandruff and flakes and stuff like that. It's probably because my hair got accustomed to like being clean every week or every other week, and then I go like 3-4 weeks without doing anything to my scalp, and my hair is like, hold up now, you know we bougie and we act up when you don't treat us right. So I think that has a lot to do with why my hair, why I get like dandruff and stuff like that when I have a protective style in, because you probably couldn't tell, but I definitely have some flakage going on. I haven't done this in a few days because I knew I was going to record it, and I haven't felt like recording. So I said tonight I had to do it because my scalp was itching really, really bad. The last thing that I do is I put my hair up. Literally, I just put my hair up like that to get it out the way, and it's also easier to sleep because since they're so long, I don't like roll on them or anything like that. I tied up, and honestly, hope for the best, because normally when I have styles like this in, my hair does, or my scarf does not stay on all night, but we at least gonna start off that way, and then I wake up and my hair is good to go. So that's low-key all that I have for this video. I hope all of this made sense, because I know I was kind of rambling a little bit, but I feel like my points were kind of coming together. So that low-key is all that I have for this video, you guys. What type of things do you guys do when your hair is in a protective style, particularly braids or twists or even like faux locks or anything like that? I'm definitely curious to know. Y'all know me, I'm lazy, So I try to keep it a little bit simpler these days, because one of the main reasons why I put my hair in a protective style is because I don't want to deal with my hair all the time. So it makes sense to like keep your routine like minimalistic when you gotta put like a protective style in. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, that's all I have for this video, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.